If you're a Spider-Man fan or you're trying to improve your drawing skills, or maybe you're running a small art channel and looking for Spider-Man drawing that people actually want to watch, then you're definitely in the right place. Because today we are going to draw Spider-Man from scratch. Before putting the pencil on the paper, what pose is Spider-Man going to have? So when you're choosing your reference, look for a pose with lots of movement. Now let's begin with very light pencil lines. I'm starting with the head first. The eyes should follow the direction of the head. And now the webs. Start with the lines radiating away from the center of the face, then connect them with curved lines, and that's basically it. You don't need to make every web line perfectly identical. Actually, a little variation can make the drawing feel more natural. Time to add color. Spider-Man's costume is perfect for this because the colors are so bold. This is one reason Spider-Man is such a fun character to paint. A few strong colors can already make the artwork pop. I'm starting with the main red areas, and I'm trying to keep the color fairly even. Don't worry if your first layer looks a little flat, that's actually what we want, because we are going to build the color gradually. Then add another layer where you want the color to become darker. I'm also strengthening some of the darker blue areas, and for the web lines, I'm keeping them nice and crisp. I can also add tiny highlights to the eyes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe if you want to see more drawings. Let me know in the comments which favorite character should I draw next.